Investors will be watching the Asia-Pacific calendar closely for a host of potential market-moving economic data out of China in the week ahead, including the country's inflation rate, industrial production, as well as a fresh report on retail sales. The week will also bring monetary policy decisions by the Reserve Bank of Australia, as well as New Zealand's central bank, both of which are expected to keep their cash rates unchanged. Those central bank decisions start Tuesday, with the RBA likely to keep its interest rate at 1.5% amid expectations for prolonged low inflation in the country. RBA Governor Philip Lowe said at the bank's previous meeting in July that the nation's low level of inflation reflects low labor cost growth and strong retail competition. Conditions, however, are expected to pick up gradually as the economy strengthens, and CPI inflation is anticipated to reach a bit above 2% this year. The RBA's decision will be followed on Wednesday by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's policy statement. The central bank had left its official cash rate unchanged at 1.75% at its previous meeting, as widely expected. As employment in the country is around a sustainable level, and consumer price inflation remains below its 2% target. Reserve Bank Governor Adrian Orr had also reiterated that conditions warrant continued monetary policy support for some time to come. Meanwhile, on the economic calendar, China will be front and center for most of the week, with its trade balance due out Tuesday, followed by an update on its rate of inflation Wednesday, as well as reports on industrial production and retail sales coming off the weekend. While Chinese retailers had rebounded somewhat in June, some analysts think their performance will return to around May's depressed levels. Elsewhere in earnings, Japan's SoftBank Group is on deck to release its fiscal first quarter results. Under the leadership of Chair and CEO Masayoshi Son, the Japanese conglomerate has been undergoing a transition from a telecommunications business to a strategic holding company. The firm has prided itself on its near $100 billion London-based SoftBank Vision Fund, whose tech-centered investments include the UK's Arm Holdings, as well as US office space sharing network WeWork. SoftBank plans to live stream its earnings results for its fiscal first quarter beginning at 4:00 p.m. Japan Standard Time on Monday. In the meantime, visit the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.